So here we have the meal planner, and my aim was to build a user-friendly drag and drop meal planner that gives you your live accumulation of carbs at any point of the day. Or if you're planning in advance, I want you to be able to see your variance from your daily target so you know exactly how much you have to play around with. So what we're going to do first is set our daily carb limit. So this depends on what low carb you're doing. You could be a diabetic on instructions from your doctor to stay under 10 grams of carbs per day. You could be following a keto lifestyle that could be between 20 and 50 carbs a day, or you might just want to stay under 100 grams of carbs a day, completely up to you. Okay, let's say you're on keto and want to stick to 30 grams of carbs a day. Just pop in 30, hit submit, and now automatically all of your open meal plans are set to 30. So let's go to the 5-day meal planner. We're going to hit add to meal planner. So when we go back to the meal planner homepage, it should be there. As you can see, I've already got one in there. So all I need to do is edit the name and I'll just call it version 2. There are also duplicate and delete functions as well. So let's go into our meal planner. And what you can do is you can add ingredients from here, right? So you can choose between your favorites. You might have a favorites. You can search the recipes, you can search the ingredients, which was that whole entire list of the carb counts, and you can even have a custom recipe. So it's a Sunday night and I'm getting ready for the week ahead. I'm going to plan my day for tomorrow. So I'm going to add in my breakfast. So you can click there, or you can actually click in the spot. We're going to go to recipes and I'm going to look at scrambled eggs. Okay, I'm going to have 1 serve of scrambled eggs. And I'm going to have some bacon with it. So I'm going to go from search recipes to search ingredients. I'm going to type in bacon. And I'm going to add 100 grams of bacon. Then for a snack, I feel like I want some crackers and I want some cheese. So I'm going to type in crackers here. And I've got all of the brands of the low carb crackers. I'm going to choose H&M grain. I'm going to have 1 cracker and I'm going to have some brie cheese with it. Okay, so that's at 100 grams there is 1 serve. However, we can simply change that to, let's say 0.4, which is 40 grams. You can go up and down here, or you can click on it and manually enter it in. So for lunch, I'm going to have some beef. I'm going to have a Scotch fillet. And I'm going to have a salad. So I've actually put in here all the different, so you load more, all the salad packs in the supermarket, because they do actually vary in carbohydrates, right? Because sometimes there's kits, sometimes there's just spinach on its own, ranch, so it's all there. I've got a majority of them in there. I can actually, and I can add more. So we're going to have the garden salad bowl. You're going to adjust the grams to how many it is. This is for 100 grams. You'll adjust that to what you're having. So we're going to have a Scotch fillet and the garden salad bowl, assuming it comes with dressing, or you can add your own here. That's for lunch. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see your accumulation. You're at about 9 carbs and you've got about 21 to play with. For an afternoon snack, I'm going to have, go back to recipes. I'm going to have a muffin. But I feel like something sweet, so I'm going to have a banana and pecan muffin. And then for dinner, I'm going to have the Bilo creme fraiche chicken and Brussels sprouts. I'm going to have 1 serve of that. And then we're going to have it with 100 grams of cauliflower rice. We've still got 10 carbs to play around with. So for dessert, I'm going to have a yogurt. All the Chobani fits, all the YoPro, Greek yogurt, it's all in there. You can add any one you want. I'm going to go get a vanilla. And then I'm going to have some berries with it. So I'm going to have, let's have some strawberries. And I'm going to have 25 grams of strawberries, so 0.25. And I'm going to have some blueberries as well, 0.25. Then we're going to look at our Monday and we're going to see we're a little bit under. Where can I add some more food in? And you can, let's have another cracker for morning tea. And that's your 30 grams of carbs for the day.